I will discuss about the databases and information management, the basis of business intelligence management. Learning objectives. What are the principal tools and technologies for assessing information from databases to improve business performance and decision making? Why are information policy, data administration, and data quality assurance is essential for managing the firm's data resources? First topic to discuss is improve business performance and decision making by the use of databases. First is what is databases? Databases are used by businesses to record routine transactions like paying suppliers, fulfilling records, monitoring customers, and paying staff. Databases are also necessary to give data that will improve decision making by managers and staff and help the organization run more smoothly. There is a big data challenges. Big data is these data sets with volume so large that traditional database management system cannot capture, store, or analyze them are now referred to as big data. It refers to data in bytes and exabytes range, or billions to trillions of recordings from numerous sources. Businesses are interested in big data because it has the potential to provide new insights into consumer behavior, weather patterns, financial market activity, and other phenomena. Infrastructure of a business intelligence. So we have four: the data warehouses and data marts, Hadoop or Hadoop distributed file system, and MapReduce. Next is memory-based computing, Oracle Exalytics, and SAP's high performance analytics appliance. And analytical frameworks like Oracle Exadata and IBM NetApp. So what is data warehouses and data marts? Data warehouse is a database that houses both recent and old data that may be useful to decision makers across the whole business. The data may also include information from transactions made on websites, while Data Mart is a subset of a data warehouse in which an organization's data are housed in a separate database for a particular user demographic and are summarized or highly focused. To manage consumer information, a business might create marketing, and sales data marts. Next is what is Hadoop? Hadoop, in Hadoop, big data or data that do not easily fit into the columns and rows utilizing in their data models are not well suited for organization and analysis by Hadoop. Relational database management system and data warehouse technologies. Organizations use Hadoop to handle massive amounts of both structured and unstructured data. as well as semi-structured data. Hadoop distributed file system for data storage and MapReduce for high-performance parallel data processing are two of main components of Hadoop. Next is utilizing in-memory computing, which primarily uses a computer's main memory, or the RAM, for data storage, is another method for aiding big data analysis. While Oracle Exalytics and SAP high-performance analytics appliances are two of the top commercial in-memory computing products. Lastly, analytical frameworks. In order to analyze enormous datasets, commercial data manufacturers have created specialized high-speed analytical platforms that use both relational and non-relational technology. These analytical platforms like Oracle Exadata and IBM Netdata provide pre-configured hardware software systems that are intended only for query processing and analytics. Relationships, patterns, and trends is an analytical tool. Online analytical processing to find the solution, or OLAP, provides multi-dimensional data analysis. Users can use made dimensions to see the same data in various watts. Product, pricing, cost, region, or time period all reflect different dimensions of information. We have data mining. It is more focused on the discovery. Data mining uncovers hidden patterns and relationships in huge databases. And by deducing rules from them, it can reveal insights into corporate data that OLAP cannot do. Application of patterns and rules aids in forecasting outcomes and guiding decision making. Data mining can produce relationships, sequence, classifications, clusters, and forecasts, among other sorts of information. Next is text mining. These techniques may extract important information from massive data sets that are unstructured, find patterns and links, and summarize the finding. Lastly, the web mining. It is the process of finding and analyzing interesting patterns and data from the internet. The web and databases. In this figure, it demonstrates that an application server running on a separate dedicated computer serves are the middleware that connects the database management system and the web server between browser-based personal computers and the back-end business applications or databases of an organization. The application server software manages all application processes, including transaction processing and data access. Managing data resources. The company will require unique rules and procedures for data management in order to ensure that the data for your organization remains accurate, dependable, and easily accessible. to those who need it. We need formulating a policy for information and ensuring data quality. Formulating a policy for information. An organization's standards for sharing, disseminating, acquiring, standardizing, classifying, and inventorying information are laid forth in an information policy. A clear set of procedures and accountability expectations are outlined in an information policy, including who is in charge of updating and maintaining the information, as well as which users and organizational units are permitted to share it. It is common in large organizations to need a formal data administration role to manage and plan for information as a corporate resource. The exact policies and procedures that allow data to be managed as a resource for an organization are the responsibility of data administration. Data governance is a concept supported by IBM that focuses on fostering privacy, security, data quality, and compliance with governmental standards, while also controlling the policies and procedures for managing the availability, usability, integrity, and security of data used in an enterprise. Ensuring data quality. The firm will have the information it needs if the data and information policy are well designed. Organizations must recognize and fix incorrect data before implementing a new database and develop improved procedures for amending data once the database is operational. A data quality audit, which is structured examination of the accuracy and degree of completeness of the data in an information system, is frequently the first step in the analysis of the data quality. Complete data files, sampling from data files, or end users' impressions of data quality can all be surveyed as part of data quality audit. Data scrubbing, sometimes referred to as data cleansing, is the process of identifying and repairing redundant, inaccurate, incomplete, or poorly formatted data within the database. And that's all my report. Thank you for listening.